Sawasdee Krap. Hello everyone, my name is Mackie and this is another episode of E30 Fix. I'm not gonna be doing much in this video. I'm gonna check the tire, see why it's leaking. I'm gonna try to take more things off in the next few videos. And now let's talk about the Lancer and the Mirage. I sold the Lancer to one of my family members. It's still around, but I'm not gonna be upgrading it anymore. I sold the Mirage to one of my friends, and now I only have the E30. I'm still curious to see how much it would cost me to upgrade these cars, so I'm gonna do a little bit of calculation right now. For the Lancer, it could have a turbo setup, a series body kit with the hood and everything, a spoiler, rims and tires, coilovers, and even nice steering wheel. This thing would make the Lancer complete for me. For the Mirage, it basically has to transform into an Evo 4. For me, it's not really worth it, especially when the Mirage has a lot of rust. And now I only focus on the E30. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it and find this helpful. Thank you and have a nice day. Sawasdee Krap.